Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to embed a code or a site to our Wix Harmony site. Let's get started. Go to the Add button on the upper left, click All, and look for Embed. You can select from two options, so to embed a code or to embed a site. If you select Embed a code, this element will be added to your page. Position it properly, click on it, and click on Settings, and input your code over here. Also include an accessible name, and select the category it belongs to, whether it's essential, functional, etc. Once you're done, click on Apply. By the way, a note from Wix, Wix cannot provide support for external codes that were not created or tested with Wix. If you're experiencing an issue with your code snippet, please contact the provider directly. Anyway, if you select Embed a Site, this element will be added once again, so position it properly or wherever you want to place it. Click on Settings. Make sure on this drop-down link is selected. Then input the link of the site that you wish to embed over here. I'm just going to use this link for demonstration purposes. Don't forget to write your accessible name. Select the category it belongs to on this drop-down. Once that's done, click on Apply, and you should see your link successfully embedded onto the embed element. And that's it. Hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.